Hey YouTube, this is an updated bike check. We got stolen cell, bars, primo grips, and the animal barns, metal, proper top load stem, I flipped it, stolen stem bolts, or shadow stem bolts, my bad, Kink Empire forks with a new rim, Madura laced to a Primo VS wheel, profile GDH cranks, and premium slim pedals, proper team sprocket, shadow chain, federal seat with the Odyssey seat post clamp and the Kink Super Stump post, and back tire is proper Magnolite 4 laced to a McNeil Dubs custom. Tires I'm running are Fly Rubens, back is folding, and that's it. Peace.